In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a Canva website name. If you've already published a site with Canva and want the title that appears in the Browser tab and search results to reflect your brand or an updated message, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to make that change without disrupting your design. Start by opening Canva and logging in. Use a browser you trust and make sure you're signed into the account where the website was created. This ensures you see all the right designs and have the correct permissions to edit them. Next, open your published website design. You can find it in your recent designs or inside your projects. Look for the design that represents your live site. Opening the design doesn't change anything on its own. It simply lets you access the settings tied to the published version. At the top right corner of your design, click the Share button. It's the gateway to all publishing options. You might see options to download, invite collaborators, or share links, but for updating your site's title, we want the website publishing settings. From that menu, select Publish as Website. Even though the site is already live, choosing this option brings up the panel where the website settings live. Don't worry, you're not rebuilding the site. You're just opening the place where its public-facing details are stored. In the Website Settings panel, look for a field labeled Website Title or Site Name. Canva sometimes uses slightly different wording, but it's the same idea. This field controls the text shown in the Browser tab and is often used by search engines as the page title. It's different from your design's file name inside Canva. This is the title people see when they visit your site. Click into that field and type your new website name. Keep it clear, concise, and branded. Aim for something descriptive that communicates what the site is about in a few words. You can include your brand name and a short descriptor, and avoid overly long text or excessive punctuation. This change won't alter your site's URL or domain. It only updates what visitors and search engines read as the title. That's it. You've opened Canva, accessed your published website design, gone to Share, selected Publish as Website, found the website title or site name field, and entered your new title. A thoughtful, well-structured title helps with clarity, professionalism, and discoverability, making your Canva website easier for visitors to understand at a glance.